Welcome back to Broker Training with Navigate Exchange. In this lesson, we will go over the key documents involved in securing a new client. 1. The electricity bill is an invoice delivered by the LDC or RES that indicates billing for usage, delivery, and the supplier of energy for a given period of time. 2. The LOA or Letter of Authorization. It authorizes the LDC to release usage information to a broker, or RES, for pricing purposes. 3. The Letter of Exclusivity is a customer-signed letter notifying RESs to release pricing exclusively to a specific broker. 4. The ESA, or Electricity Services Agreement. It's made up of the Terms and Conditions document and an offer sheet that highlights deals presented for the specific account. 5. The Confirmation denotes a closed deal, detailing start and end date of the ESA as well as gross revenue of the deal for the year and term. Electricity has a unit of measurement, just like feet, miles per hour, or degrees. This unit is called the kilowatt hour. Just how much is a kilowatt hour? 1 kilowatt hour is equal to 10 100-watt light bulbs, or 1,000 watts burning for 1 hour. An electricity bill is comprised of 3 parts: electricity supply, delivery fees, and taxes. As a broker, you will only focus on the electricity supply section. This section makes up about 75% of the customer's electricity costs. An electricity supply charge is mainly comprised of the following components: energy, congestion, load following, capacity, miscellaneous, renewable, and ancillary services. Suppliers use these data points to generate their daily pricing models, which we will go over shortly. There are 2 main pricing methods for customers: fixed rates and index rates. Fixed rates lock the customer at a single rate for the term length of the contract. This plan protects customers from drastic changes in the market. Index rates, on the other hand, follow the market from month to month. An index rate can allow the customer to take advantage of a market in which price is decreasing. Aside from the basic fixed and variable rates, combinations of the 2 are also possible. 100% fixed rate indicates that all charges are fixed. Energy-only fixed rate takes the energy portion of the pie chart and locks its value, allowing variations in the remaining components. Index rate follows variations in the full pie chart. Finally, you can combine these 2 types to fix only a portion of your electricity prices and leave the rest up for variable rates as is seen fit. Now let's go over the drivers of supply cost. Now that you understand the 2 main pieces of an electric price and the components that make up the supply cost, let's take a deeper look at the energy cost component. This portion of your supply cost is unique because it's market-driven. There are a few factors, though, that can seriously impact the energy cost, driving it either up or down on the market. 1. Time of day. The energy cost of electricity depends on the demand for electricity, which can vary throughout the day. Electricity prices are higher during times of great demand, which start in the morning, as businesses start their day and continue throughout the evening and into the night. Therefore, on-peak hours would be considered 7 a.m. to 11 p.m. Monday through Friday, and all other hours are considered off-peak hours. 2. Weather. Another factor affecting demand is the weather. As you know, there is a greater demand when temperatures rise because there is a greater use of air conditioning and other cooling units. Natural disasters can impact power prices if the resources used to generate electricity prices are affected. And seasons such as summer and winter also affect demand, since usage is greater in extreme weather. 3. Geography. Locations with higher demand generally experience higher prices as a result of delivering more electricity to that area. The cost of delivery to meet demand in that area is what drives the higher costs. 4. Market factors. The prices of fuel to generate electricity have the greatest impact on power. In addition, regulatory policies and frameworks also affect prices. Let's go over the national electricity grid. The national electricity grid is divided into regional power grids, or regional transmission operators, RTOs. RTOs are then subdivided or provide power to local distribution companies, LDCs. RTOs establish fees for managing the grid. These fees are passed down to the LDC, who pass them through to the end customer. We call these pass-through charges. Therefore, you can see that the entire country is connected by the way that we are supplied energy. Thanks again for coming to Navigate Exchange Brokerage Training. We appreciate your time and attention and look forward to working with you in the future.